My name is Michael Myers, and I'm the Clinical Support Manager with Contec Healthcare. The CDC recommends, and many government and businesses now require people to wear face coverings in order to help slow the spread of COVID-19. We want to quickly show you the right way to take on and take off this PPE. You'll hear us use the words donning and doffing. Donning refers to the proper process and way that you put on PPE, and doffing refers to the process of taking off this PPE so that you don't contaminate yourself. Today we want to give you some pro tips on how to don and doff the three most common types of masks. A, the procedure mask, B, a cloth face covering, and finally we'll show you how to don and doff an N95 mask. So now let's start with the process of how to don a procedure mask. The most important step before you put on any face mask or covering is to perform hand hygiene, or to use hand sanitizer. Proper hand hygiene involves washing your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water. So once you've performed hand hygiene or used hand sanitizer, you can begin the process of donning the mask. The first thing you need to do is orient the mask and determine what's the top of the mask, and then which side of the mask touches your face and which side faces out. The top of the mask will always have that flexible, moldable piece that goes along the bridge of your nose. And then to determine what's the inside and outside of the mask, look at where the ear loops attach to the mask. The ear loops will always attach to the inside of the mask, and that's how you determine which side faces in. So now you want to place the mask on your face. Do not touch the front of the mask. Handle only the ear loops and place them over your ears one at a time. Then you want to adjust the nose piece to your face, molding it over the bridge of your nose and across your cheekbone. And finally, while holding the bridge of your nose, you want to gently pull the bottom of your mask underneath your chin. The process for doffing or taking off a procedure mask, again, the first step you want to do is perform hand hygiene and be very careful not to touch the front of the mask. You want to remove each ear loop and then dispose of that procedure mask properly. It's recommended that you perform hand hygiene after removing your mask. Next, we want to talk about the process for donning and doffing a cloth face covering. There are two types of cloth face coverings. One uses ear loops, in which case you would don and doff the cloth face covering in the same manner I just described for the procedure mask. A second style of cloth face covering uses straps that you can tie behind your head. The process for donning one of these is, first of all, as always, perform hand hygiene or use hand sanitizer. Second, you want to tie the top strap of the face covering behind your head. You can run that strap over your ears to help hold it in place. Now you want to tie the second bottom strap around the base of your neck. To doff this mask, perform hand hygiene or use hand sanitizer. Second, you want to untie the bottom strap from around the back of your neck and then carefully untie the top strap, being sure not to touch the front of your mask. After removing your mask, it's recommended that you perform hand hygiene, and the CDC recommends that you frequently launder cloth face coverings. And finally, we want to talk about the process for donning and doffing an N95 mask. First, as always, you need to perform proper hand hygiene or use hand sanitizer. Then you want to place the mask in the palm of one hand. Secure the top elastic strap first over the top of your head. Then, while holding the bottom of the mask, secure the bottom elastic strap over your head and behind the base of your neck. Finally, you want to pinch the metal nose piece around the bridge of your nose. To remove an N95 mask, first you want to perform hand hygiene or use hand sanitizer. Second, you want to remove the bottom strap from around the base of your neck first. Then remove the top strap, being very careful not to touch the front of the mask. It's always recommended once you doff any mask that you perform hand hygiene. Thank you for watching these pro tips on how to properly don and doff the three most common types of masks and face coverings. Contec is the world leader of providing cleaning products for critical environments. From hospitals to medical device and pharmaceutical manufacturing to schools and businesses. Cleaning and disinfecting is more important now than ever, and Contec is your resource for the best products and our team of experts that are here to assist you. Thank you, and please stay safe.